1. Galileo Galilei, father of modern science. Galileo revolutionized how we observe the universe. He improved the telescope, confirmed the heliocentric model, and challenged the Church's long-standing views. His discoveries in physics and astronomy laid the groundwork for modern scientific methods. Despite facing house arrest for his beliefs, his legacy endured. He famously said, "And yet it moves," referring to the Earth orbiting the Sun. 2. Isaac Newton, father of physics. Newton's laws of motion and universal gravitation changed how we understand movement and forces. His book Principia Mathematica remains one of the most influential scientific works ever written. He also invented calculus independently and explored optics. Newton's theories dominated science for centuries and are still used today. He famously said, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." 3. Hippocrates, father of medicine. Hippocrates lived in ancient Greece and is considered the founder of clinical medicine. He promoted observation and diagnosis over superstition. The Hippocratic Oath, named after him, still influences medical ethics. He shifted medicine from religious practices to a more rational science. His emphasis on balance and natural healing shaped modern healthcare. 4. Confucius, father of Eastern philosophy. Confucius was a Chinese philosopher whose teachings shaped Asian culture and government. He stressed morality, proper conduct, and family respect. His ideas influenced everything from politics to education for centuries. Confucianism continues to impact millions, especially in East Asia. His wisdom laid the foundation for ethical thought in the region. 5. Adam Smith, father of economics. Adam Smith wrote The Wealth of Nations, the first modern book on economics. He introduced the idea of the invisible hand guiding free markets. Smith argued for limited government intervention and championed capitalism. His ideas became the basis for classical economics. Many modern economies still rely on Smith's principles. 6. Charles Darwin, father of evolution. Darwin's On the Origin of Species introduced natural selection as the mechanism for evolution. He showed how species change over time to adapt to their environments. His work challenged religious and scientific beliefs of the time. Though controversial, his theory is now a cornerstone of biology. Darwin's research reshaped our understanding of life on Earth. 7. Archimedes, father of engineering. Archimedes was a Greek mathematician and inventor known for his ingenious machines. He developed principles of levers, pulleys, and buoyancy. The Archimedes screw is still used to move water in some places today. His calculations laid groundwork for calculus and physics. He famously shouted "Eureka!" after discovering how to measure volume using water displacement. 8. Johannes Gutenberg, father of printing. Gutenberg invented the movable type printing press in the 15th century. His invention revolutionized communication and education. It allowed books to be mass-produced, spreading knowledge across Europe. The Gutenberg Bible was the first major printed book. His press sparked the Renaissance, Reformation, and the scientific revolution. 9. Thales, father of philosophy. Thales of Miletus was the first known philosopher in Western history. He sought natural explanations for the world, not mythological ones. He believed everything came from water and used geometry to solve problems. Thales inspired future thinkers like Plato and Aristotle. His ideas marked the beginning of scientific thought in the West. 10. Nikola Tesla, father of modern electricity. Tesla developed alternating current, AC, which powers most of the world today. He also created technologies like wireless transmission and electric motors. Tesla's visionary mind was ahead of his time, though he often struggled financially. His work influenced radio, radar, and even robotics. Today, he's celebrated as a genius inventor who changed the world. 11. Euclid, father of geometry. Euclid's book Elements laid the foundation for geometry as we know it. He organized mathematical knowledge into a logical system. His definitions, postulates, and proofs are still taught in schools today. Euclid lived in ancient Alexandria and influenced science and architecture. His method of reasoning shaped the development of logic and math. 12. William Shakespeare, father of English literature. Shakespeare wrote plays and poems that shaped the English language. His works explore human emotions, politics, and power with unmatched depth. He coined phrases still used today, like break the ice and wild goose chase. His influence reaches literature, theater, and even psychology. Few writers have left such a lasting global legacy. 13. Avsenna, father of modern medicine in the Islamic world. Avsenna, a Persian scholar, wrote the Canon of Medicine, a key text for centuries. He combined Greek, Roman, and Islamic medical knowledge. His work described diseases, treatments, and hygiene practices. Avicenna's ideas influenced both Islamic and European medicine. His rational approach helped build the bridge between ancient and modern healthcare. 14. Leonardo da Vinci, father of the Renaissance. Da Vinci was a master artist, scientist, and inventor. His notebooks show early designs for helicopters, tanks, and anatomy studies. He painted the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper, two of history's most iconic works. Leonardo's curiosity and creativity defined the Renaissance spirit. He blended art and science in ways no one else had. 15. Martin Luther, father of the Protestant Reformation. Luther challenged the Catholic Church's corruption by nailing his 95 Theses to a church door. He argued for salvation through faith, not indulgences. His movement split Christianity and led to new denominations. Luther also translated the Bible into German, making it accessible to ordinary people. His actions reshaped religion and European politics. 16. Pythagoras, father of numbers. Pythagoras is best known for the Pythagorean theorem, which is essential in geometry. He believed numbers governed the universe and founded a school of thought mixing math and mysticism. His ideas influenced Plato and later Western philosophy. He saw mathematics as a path to truth and harmony. Though much of his life is wrapped in legend, his mathematical legacy remains strong. 17. Sigmund Freud, father of psychoanalysis. Freud introduced the idea that unconscious thoughts influence behavior. He developed concepts like the ID, ego, and superego. His work on dreams, childhood, and repression revolutionized psychology. Though some of his theories are debated today, his impact is undeniable. Freud opened the door to understanding the human mind in new ways. 18. Herodotus, father of history. Herodotus was the first to systematically record historical events. He traveled widely and documented stories from Greece, Egypt, and Persia. Though sometimes accused of exaggeration, his work offers valuable insight into ancient cultures. He tried to explain cause and effect in human events. Without him, much of early history would be lost. 19. Karl Lenius, father of taxonomy. Linnaeus created the system we use to classify living things, kingdom, genus, species, and more. His naming system, binomial nomenclature, is still used in biology today. He brought order to the chaos of plant and animal identification. Linnaeus helped scientists communicate clearly about species. His work laid the foundation for biological classification. 20. Aristotle, father of logic. Aristotle wrote on everything from biology to ethics to metaphysics. But he's best known for formalizing logic and reasoning. His method of deductive reasoning is still used in philosophy and science. He was a student of Plato and teacher of Alexander the Great. Aristotle's vast writings shaped Western thought for over 2,000 years.